Today I'm going to be showing some cute and fun ways that you can add fall lettering and illustration to your fall lettering box cards. So this is a set of mini cards that came in the fall lettering box. It's so cute. On the back side there are these cream envelopes. That's what we're going to be lettering on. So grab a few of those, and we just want to start with pencil. I'm going to start by doing two kind of triangular shapes outside of the bow, and then just squiggle lines for the tail of the bow. I'm going to do long oval shapes for this pumpkin and just continue to draw them out. And then I'm going to do a scalloped edge all the way around, followed by a straight edge. And so I love to get everything in pencil first, and then I go back over it in ink. So here I'm using a Fabricolor pen. This is a really gorgeous kind of brown terracotta color, and I love the way that the bow looks filled in, and then you'll just go over everything else with the monoline side of the pen. We'll go over the scallops, and you don't have to follow the pencil line exactly. It's just there as a guide. And then do the straight lines. I did decide to fill in this border, which I think turned out really cute. And then I added a few little detail lines on the pumpkin. Just erase the pencil and you're done. This next one has 2 rows of banners, and so I just put please deliver to, and then drew in some baselines. I'm going to start with the first and last name on the first line and then do an address here. And notice that the all caps are still at a slant. You want to match that same angle line that you're using with your lettering on the name. I'm going to fill in the background of the banners with these cute little leaves, and then I'm going to go over everything with my Fabricolor pen. And you could totally do flowers, leaves, anything that you want that's kind of florally is super cute. You just keep drawing them and filling up the space until it's completely full, and it's such a fun and easy look to create. Next, I'm using the brush lettering side of the pen, and I'm going to draw in the name, and then I'm going to go over the address with the monoline side. And you can see that the slant, the angle matching looks so good. This next one, I'm going to do 3 pumpkins on the bottom. Again, just kind of a large oblong oval shape, and then continue to draw those shapes to the side. Then I'm going to do some pointed leaves, some rounded leaves, some little wheat shapes, and little berries. I'm going to draw a baseline and sketch in my name. And I'm realizing my name is not centered, so I'm just going to bump it over to the right a little bit to do my brush lettering. And then I'm going to go over all of my little fall illustrations with the monoline side of the pen. It's so cute and just a really easy way to make a card feel more like fall. The last is just has thinking of you. You're going to add any of like the flourishing or the extras at the end once you get everything down, and then we'll go over it with our brush pen. In the lettering box, you got a workbook that has both brush lettering and the monoline script for you to be able to learn and practice both. But I think these turned out so cute and fun. Thank you to everyone who got the fall lettering box, and make sure to like and subscribe this video and follow along for more wax seal and lettering tips.